Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. As the artificial intelligence race heats up, Google is feeling the pressure, and the company is now reportedly working on a new AI-powered search engine. According to the latest reports, the Mountain View-based technology giant is in the process of creating a new AI-powered search engine as well as updating technology in the existing search platform. Internal documents indicate that the company has a project named Magi which is aimed at updating the existing search engine with the new technology, and about 160 employees are currently working on it. The new features are being created by designers, engineers, and executives working in sprint rooms to tweak and test the new versions. After the changes, the search engine would offer a more personalized experience than the company's current service. Google is reportedly planning to announce Magi next month and is expected to introduce additional features sometime in the fall. If that's the case, then we expect the company to reveal details at the upcoming Google I/O. As per the report, Magi will be rolled out to 1 million users in the US before expanding to 30 million users by the end of the year. The development comes at a time when it is reported that Samsung is considering ditching Google for Microsoft Bing as the default search engine on its devices. This poses a threat to a $3 billion contract with Samsung. A similar $20 billion contract with Apple is up for renewal for the company. Microsoft Bing, along with other products and services from the Redmond-based technology giant, has been in the news lately as the company has been increasingly relying on AI technologies, especially the ones developed by OpenAI to enhance offerings in the market. That's it guys for this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next one. Peace.